This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the tempo track so you can change tempo non-destructively. This is the only reliable way to alter drum timing across the project. First, make sure you're on Mac OS Garageband, then choose Track and show Tempo Track. Once visible, click the tempo ruler to set the starting BPM, type or drag to pick a value. This sets the project clock that drummer and Apple loops follow, so you control the entire groove from one place. Next, you add tempo points to create changes over time, which lets the drummer adapt musically. Click the tempo track at the bar position where you want the change and add a point. Then drag that point up or down to set the BPM or double-click and type an exact number. Once done, add a second nearby point and drag to shape a ramp for gradual accelerando or ritardando. Make sure points are placed at musical bar lines so fills and hits remain aligned. Finally, confirm the drummer responds. Play the project and listen for tempo changes. Drummer regions should follow the tempo track automatically. If some audio loops refuse to track tempo, convert them to flex time or swap for Apple loops that conform to project tempo. Once done, fine-tune tempo points to tighten transitions and save an incremental copy in case you need to revert. If things go wrong, undo the last tempo point, then re-add it slightly earlier or later to preserve groove alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.